How to reset your password on Facebook Lite. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your password on Facebook Lite. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up the Facebook Lite app. And once you have opened the Facebook Lite app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner and you will enter the menu section. From the menu section, simply scroll down and tap on Settings under Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on See More in Account Centers and you will be prompted to the Account Center. Once you are in Account Center section, simply tap on Passport and Security under Account Settings. Now tap on Change Password. Now you need to select the account which password you want to change. After that, you will be prompted to a page where you can change the password by entering old password and after that entering new password and confirming it by again re-entering the new password. Once you have done that, simply tap on change password and you will be able to change your password successfully. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.